Never take your MacBook to the service center. If you are facing any problems and you're looking to repair your MacBook, never take it to Apple authorized service center that is in Mantri Square, Malleshwaram. Not only does this place have such bad Google reviews, but the way my problem was addressed was truly shocking. I'd like to share my story with you so that this doesn't happen to anyone else. I had an issue with my HDMI port, because of which I took my MacBook to the same service center. Apart from my HDMI port not working, my laptop was in a completely working condition. It was absolutely fine. I was working with it. I had to submit it. The executive at the service center first told me that they would check to fix it with the software. If it does not work out, they will let me know what the next steps of action that need to be taken are. They even charged me 3,000 rupees for it. But to my surprise, when I got an update on my email, I was shocked. They said that the machine is not itself turning on. Now, to get it fixed, I have to pay 60,000 rupees. But the problem is, at no point in time did the personnel inform me about the risk of this happening. Now, naturally, because of this huge cost that they have quoted me, I did not want to get my laptop repaired and I went to collect it back. When I went there to pick my laptop, I was shocked to see that my laptop was stuck. It was not starting and they were not able to fix it, which was not the case when I submitted it for repair. After this, I asked the executives in the service center to restore my laptop in the condition that I had submitted it in. They were very adamant that I pay the 60,000 rupees, then get the board fixed. Only then you'll get the laptop back in its working condition, which honestly is very pathetic. Now, this is where you have to be very careful. They have mentioned a small waiver in the terms and conditions that if something like this does happen, that the service center or Apple is not liable at all. The important part here is nowhere was it mentioned or verbally communicated to me that there is a risk of something like this happening. And similarly, there are many customers going through similar experiences. After this, I even contacted the official Apple helpline number. After many calls, after many hours of conversations with them, I could not find a solution to it. My laptop get into a non-working state completely happened while it was in the possession of the service center, for which the service center is liable for. It is absolutely not okay. They just put it in the terms and conditions that they're not liable if something like this happens. But they should first inform the customer about the risk that something like this might happen. I have been without my laptop for more than 20 days now. I'm trying to look for solutions from Apple. I did try to look for solutions from the service center. None of it is working. So please share this as much as possible so that more people do not have to go through this whole process again. And I definitely not recommend iCare, Mantri Square, Malleshwaram, Bengaluru.